our way to Dorset. We're gonna go camping at a place called Camp Heartland. We're roughly about an hour away, and I just thought I would take you guys with us and do a bit of a camping vlog, because I feel like it's quite different to all of the other videos I do. And also, I've never really properly been camping as an adult. I've done it once in the Lake District, but I stayed in the back of a van. That kind of sounds really dodgy. So I have kind of like done it once, but not like properly. So we'll see how we go. We've got a nice big 8-person tent, so we'll have lots of room. We've got like an extension, we've got a cute awning, we've got tables and chairs, we've got a cooking set, we've got the whole shebang. And we're gonna hopefully pick up a few local supplies when we get down there, so we can cook some like nice breakfasts and some nice meals to try and not spend too much money and get the full camping experience. I'll see you next when I'm trying to put up a tent, because I've never put up a tent before, so that's going to be a funny experience to see, isn't it? Whoa! Here we go! Up to the top field. Whoa! Oh my god, it's like it's such a blind hill. Whoa! Yeah!
Let's slow down.
As you can see, we've just arrived and we're just driving over to our camping spot. We're going to go to the top field. So we've done putting up the tent, but now I've got to put the awning up. And as you can see, it's so windy, so we're sort of creating a parachute as we do it. It's been a lot harder than I think it should be. So we kind of successfully put up a tent. It took us about 2 hours, the tent and the awning, but it's now currently 7:15. So we've decided that we're just going to go to the pub for dinner tonight, because it's really, really windy at the campsite as well. So it's going to be really hard to cook, and I think rain's on its way, but looks quite sunny. But first we're going to quickly pop to a farm shop and see if we can pick up some bacon and eggs. Thank you. We'll probably be back.
Thank you.
Thank you. We've just come to the halfway inn. Is it called the halfway inn? It's the pub literally just at the end of the camp. And it's an old 16th century building, so all the ceilings are really low, and it's really cute and cozy. There's lots of like old photos on the walls. Oh, there's a fire over there, but we don't need the fire. We've just woken up. Well, I've just woken up because I didn't get to sleep until about 4:30 last night, because as you might be able to hear, it's so windy and the tent has been so loud, making noise all night. And I even tried to put my AirPods in and put like white noise on, and it still didn't really help. But I think I've had about 3 hours sleep. It's almost 9 o'clock, and I woke up about half an hour ago and I look really tired. Oh my god, just didn't have the best sleep. Yeah, this is the current state of the tent. Very messy. We're just gonna pop to the cafe for a coffee, and also come back, have a shower, and then see what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, because shitty weather. Oh yeah, we need to attempt to cook breakfast as well. Hey, you want a pat? Yeah, I haven't got anything for you. Good boy, good girl. Good girl. Who knows? So we went to the cafe, and in my head I was thinking, we'll get a coffee and we'll have a nice sit down and look out the window and have a nice relaxing coffee in the morning. Like I'm a morning person. I'm not like, don't talk to me, but that's what I wanted, right? Went in there, 2 people that work here and obviously look after this place, the camp and whatever. Lovely. Having a good old chat with them. Then we get seconded by this man. And I feel bad if you ever found my videos. I feel really bad saying too much, but there was a guy who obviously was at the campsite, started talking to us straight away and was very intense. And I don't mind chatting to people and having a good old chat for ages, but when someone straight away was saying that Andy's accent sounded stupid. Oh, don't you think Brummie accent sounds stupid? To me, when Andy's right next to me, I was just like, no. So that's what put me off. And I just thought, I don't have any time for you, because you've just literally said that. And I was like, no. We're just attempting to cook our breakfast in this wind. We've cooked the bacon, tastes really nice, local bacon. We're cooking some local eggs now. It's going relatively well. We did just set the grass on fire ever so slightly.
Don't need it.
No. No salt and pepper.
That one's beautiful. It's like a sandy colour.
That's so nice.
So nice, isn't it? Cute.
Lovely. So today we're going to head to Weymouth because we're just going to explore the town a little bit because the weather's shit, and then we'll go to the nice beach places we've got started on Google Maps for the next few days. We've just left Weymouth and it was getting very windy and rainy. You know, we had some fish and chips and then we'd had enough. And now we've come back to Wareham and we're going to go to Sainsbury's because we're going to attempt to cook something tonight, even though we've just had a massive fish and chips. But I don't know, we're just going to go to the shops and see what there is. I'm very tired because I've had about 2 or 3 hours sleep. I mean, I know there's certain things like plants that can help you sleep if you know, smoke them. We've just come back to camp and I'm gonna have a cider from a bag of cider. It's like a goon bag. Lovely. Oh,
What you can get.
tastes like juice.
Yeah, that's what I like.
Got this cup from a club in Budapest. If you guys have been, it's Instant Foggers. Instant and Foggers. Oh. And we just spent the rest of the evening just chatting and relaxing. We ended up having just some sandwiches for dinner as we had a big late lunch. Make sure you stay tuned for next week's vlog for when we finally get to explore the beautiful sights Dorset has to offer. And I'll see you next Sunday.